This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. Right now, institutional smart money is quietly loading up on 5 hyper-growth AI stocks that are trading at massive bloody discounts. And if you miss this window, you will be left chasing the next historic bull run from the sidelines. And this is what I've been telling my students in the Discord. The market has been completely beaten down, and the strongest infrastructure powerhouses in the world are creating a once-in-a-generation opportunity at capitulation zones where fortunes are literally going to be made. If you think the AI trade is over, you are completely blind to the multi-billion-dollar dark pool accumulation happening right under your nose right now. Before I get into the 5 AI stocks that I'm doubling down on, I have a huge announcement. This Friday, I have a life-changing opportunity for you that you can't afford to miss. Friday, July 3rd, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Pacific, I'm hosting my exclusive masterclass webinar. I'm pulling back the curtain and teaching my D-Stochastics RSI, AVP, DFib, Squeeze RSI indicator alongside my technical analysis, hedge fund strategies, and dark pool strategies. You do not want to miss it. These are the exact strategies I teach my students in Discord to make the profits you're seeing on the screen, and they're also the same strategies that I execute in my personal portfolios and how I grew my micro challenge account from $900 to over $9,000 in 14 months. You guys can see that on the screen right there. And in the same time frame, grew my $250,000 portfolio to $2.1 million. It's how I'm locking in the profits. You guys don't want to miss out on this opportunity. I'll be answering your questions. I'll be hosting a Q&A, hanging out with you guys after the class, and I have a life-changing announcement and opportunity for you guys at the webinar. Be sure to register in the link below. Every student that's ever joined my webinar returns and said they've learned more in that 1 hour with me than anywhere else. You don't want to miss out. I have very limited spots for the webinars. Every single webinar that I do, students are constantly emailing me, asking me if they can register and get in, but it's too late. Don't wait to the last minute. Lock in your position right now in the information box below. Let's kick off July 4th weekend with my strategies to help you change the trajectory of your portfolio. So let's talk about the market trap and what's going on right now, but I want to make sure you guys understand no more than 10% of your portfolio in any one stock, and you want to be safe as there's no guarantees in the stock market. It's very volatile, very risky, and make sure that the stocks I talk about in this video fit your own personal goals and needs as well as where you want to be in a few years down the road. Do your due diligence, check out these stocks for yourself, do the technical analysis, and make sure they fit your goals and the direction you're trying to go. Remember, the market is risky, no guarantees, a lot of volatility. Protect your capital and take it slow, especially if you are new. But let's really talk about why the retail crowd is panicking, why the big boys are buying. Right now, there is a massive wall of fear in the market. Everyone is crying about inflation is when the value of your dollar drops and the cost of everything else goes up. Because inflation has remained sticky, the Federal Reserve is holding interest rates higher for longer to cool down the economy. When interest rates stay high, it costs companies more money to borrow capital, and the broad market reacts negatively. Retail investors see red days, they panic, and they sell. But here is the secret. The underlying demand for the AI infrastructure hasn't changed. The global data center vacancy rate has fallen to a historic low of 0.9%. The infrastructure is entirely sold out because macro fears have beaten down these high-quality AI names. We are being handed an absolute gift to buy the elite infrastructure plays at a massive discount. To win in this game, you have to master the psychology of capitulation zone. Capitulation is the exact moment when retail traders have completely thrown in the towel, they panic sell at a loss, and they declare the sector's dead. That is exactly when the charts print ultimate major support levels. You make real life-changing money when the markets are down. You accumulate dollar cost average, buy into your positions. You buy the blood when the crowd is terrified. When a powerhouse stock hits a key demand zone, you do not run away. You aggressively average your cost basis down so that when the market snaps back, your gains are multiplied exponentially. The first AI stock to talk about today in the number 5 position for me is Applied Digital. Applied Digital designs, builds, and operates sustainably engineered high-performance data centers tailored for intense AI and cloud workloads. Now, the company is a pure-play infrastructure and their backbone provider, specializing in creating the massive AI factories that are required to keep the next-gen clusters running. They recently hit a monumental milestone, breaking past the 1 gigawatt of contracted capacity after securing a massive lease with a high investment grade hyperscaler Polaris Forge 3 campus. The stock has been heavily beat up due to short-term net losses stemming from the massive build-out expenses. However, their top-line growth is explosive, with fiscal Q3 revenue skyrocketing 139% year over year to $100 $126.6 million and generating $44.1 million in adjusted EBITDA. Applied Digital recently secured a revolving credit facility of up to $550 million to back their strategic growth, and they are hovering right at major horizontal support. Analyst ratings are highly bullish for the near future as well, as these massive pre-lease campuses go operational. Now, unlocking a flood of predictable long-term cash flow could potentially begin very soon on Applied Digital. Looking at Applied Digital, you guys can see right here, there's a lot of support here at 33. There's even more support at 37. You can see multiple times it resisted 37, and now that's turned to support. You can see it bouncing off these levels 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And right now, based on my volume indicators, we need to see this price held, and this is the box in which price needs to stay between 35 and 37. If it breaks that, we're headed down a little bit further. If it holds this, I would like to see Applied Digital break the structure and change of character at $40 right here, and this signifies the stock is moving up. And once it changes character at $41, this is where there is a complete reversal of that downtrend and consolidation. The number 4 AI stock to talk about right now is Nebius. Nebius Group has rapidly evolved into one of the largest independent neo-cloud providers in the world, building dedicated AI data centers packed with high-end graphics cards because they have priority access to Nvidia's GPUs. They are completely bypassing the supply constraints choking other cloud providers. They offer a full software stack that allows enterprise clients to deploy AI agents and run massive inference workloads seamlessly. Nebius is an absolute financial powerhouse in the making, recently reporting a staggering 684% year-over-year revenue surge to $399 million, with their AI cloud division growing 841%. Even better, their adjusted EBITDA margins swung from a negative 106% last year to a highly profitable 32% in Q1. The stock has pulled back into the prime accumulation zone, sitting just above major support levels. With contracted revenue backlogs exceeding $50 billion, including multi-billion-dollar agreements with Meta and Microsoft, analysts are aggressively upgrading Nebius, targeting a 550% data center revenue growth rate by the end of the year. I told my students to get into Nebius when it was $90, and when it dipped to $70, I told them to DCA. We made hundreds of thousands of dollars on Nebius already, and this stock is just getting started based on the technical analysis. Now remember, be safe because there's no guarantees in the stock market. You want to be safe, protect your capital, and make sure you're looking at the charts and make sure you're looking at these stocks and they fit your personal goals and needs. Looking at Nebius, we can see there's a lot of blue lines here. These are all of the support levels and changes of character based on price. When we see this price and we see this volatility right here, we can see that most of it is transpiring at 287, but the price will likely fall back down to 222 and hold strong there if it can't break 287. Once it breaks down into this 221 range, if that were to happen, it likely would fall down even further because this area right here, as you can see, is lower volume and liquidity, and it's very likely to drop all the way into 191 if this were to happen. But there's a lot of support here, and it would have to change character at $234. So right now it's holding very strong in between 230 and 280. This is a big margin, but this is where the price is moving. If this were to happen, then it would be a good opportunity to wait for it to calm down, settle down, and slowly but surely add to your position. This would be a very strong way to protect yourself. I don't see the stock going down here, but anything's possible. But as long as the stock stays above 257 or even 235 to 240 range, we're in good shape on Nebius. Now, before I hit the number 3 stock in this list, remember my masterclass webinar returns this Friday, July 3rd, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. I'll be teaching my hedge fund and dark pool strategies, AVP, D-Stochastics RSI, DFib, squeeze RSI indicators. You do not want to miss it. These are the strategies I teach my students. Now they're making the profits that you see on the screen, and I utilize these strategies in my personal portfolio, and it's how I grew my micro challenge account from $900 to $9,000 in just 14 months and my $250,000 portfolio to over $2.1 million in the same time frame. I have a huge announcement and a massive opportunity that you do not want to miss. I'll be answering your questions and coaching you and hanging out with you this Friday. Let's kick off July 4th weekend with a bang. I'll see you at the webinar on Friday. The link to get registered is below. Very limited spots. Don't hesitate. Lock your position in right now. The number 3 AI stock on my list right now is Coreweave. Coreweave is widely considered the gold standard of specialized AI neoclouds, delivering a full stack platform built purely for massive machine learning workloads. Their rapid scale and absolute dominance in the sector were just cemented by their official inclusion into the prestigious NASDAQ 100 index. Coreweave is trusted by the absolute biggest names in AI, serving as the core infrastructure layer for companies like OpenAI and Anthropic, backed by massive multi-billion-dollar capital commitments from firms like Jane Street and Nvidia itself. The stock is currently beat up and it's trading at a steep discount from its highs because the market's hyper-focused on their current net losses. Look at the bigger picture here. Those losses are driven by a massive, aggressive $35 billion capital expenditure plan to secure global GPU dominance. Their revenue for Q1 more than doubled year over year to $2.08 million, and they are sitting on a jaw-dropping $100 billion revenue backlog. Coreweave is sitting heavily in a capitulation demand zone right at major support, and forward-looking analysts view it as an absolute must-buy as 36% of that massive backlog converts into pure revenue over the next 24 months. Let's take a look at Coreweave on the charts. Coreweave is holding support multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at $90. This is my AVP. The stock is in between the $95 or $92 range and $107. This is the median average of my AVP. You want to be safe, watch these levels, and you're going to want to look for the $98 and the $91 level to make sure this stock is holding strong. Based on analyst ratings, based on hedge funds, based on my dark pool data, this would be fair value buying on Coreweave. Like I said, smack dab in the middle. So definitely not the best price, definitely not the worst. It seems like it's right in the middle based on everything, so take it slow. But this is a stock that I'm personally adding and is a very good buy for me, and I'm definitely not going to let this opportunity pass me by because I'm thinking long term. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. You have to think long term. Be safe. No more than 10% of your portfolio in any of these stocks. Be safe. Protect your capital. Moving along to the number 2 stock in this list, Oracle. Oracle has transitioned from a legacy database giant into an absolute tier 1 cloud infrastructure powerhouse. By aggressively building out its Gen 2 cloud infrastructure, OCI, Oracle has become the preferred choice for the major AI companies due to its highly efficient, low-cost cluster architecture and incredibly fast data transfer speeds. They have secured massive cloud infrastructure partnerships, acting as crucial cloud host to expand capacity for both Microsoft, Azure, and OpenAI. Financially, Oracle is an absolute free cash flow machine, consistently driving billions in recurring cloud revenue with forward projections showing double-digit growth accelerating into late 2026. The stock has experienced a healthy technical pullback, bringing the price right down to its primary order block and major moving average support. Looking at Oracle, I told my students to buy way back here. We made all this money on Oracle, and now it's right back down where it was before. This is a no-brainer based on $553 billion in remaining performance obligations. They could shut the door completely and take no more customers ever again, pay off all their debt, and still have a couple of $100 billion left over. This is a no-brainer. We're at the big capitulation zone down here of 138 to 140, which is why it keeps getting bought up in this range. And I really feel like, based on analyst ratings, it's going to keep happening again with Oracle, as you can see. Analysts have been steadily raising their price targets and issuing upgrades, citing Oracle's massive remaining performance obligations, RPO, and its unique ability to rapidly spin up modular data centers to meet the insatiable global demand. I called Oracle at $138, and my Discord and I rode this all the way to $248. I personally made over $300,000 in puts and calls and shares on Oracle. I have several students that did this as well. The undisputed ultimate king of the AI revolution, looking at the number 1 stock in this list, is Nvidia. Nvidia does not just make the chips, they own the entire full stack of the ecosystem, from the advanced architecture of their Blackwell platforms to the proprietary CUDA software that every single AI developer on earth is locked into. Not much to say about Nvidia here. A lot of support at 193 and a lot more support at 185. Anywhere between 180 and 200, you're back in that AV Anywhere between 180 and 200, you're back in between that AVP zone, which is my AVP where I buy, where I DCA and I add in my personal portfolio. And that is where I'd be looking to add more. But there's a lot of support here at 192, the previous AVP right here. All these zones have become support over the last 4 months. So you want to keep an eye on that as well. Every single neo cloud and hyperscaler we just discussed, Coreweave, Nebius, Oracle, Applied Digital, is all actively waiting in line to spend billions of dollars purchasing Nvidia hardware. The stock has experienced a sharp volatile pullback due to the broad macro fears and retail profit taking, pushing the price directly into an incredibly powerful high volume capitulation support zone. Financially, Nvidia boasts the cleanest balance sheet in tech, sporting unmatched net profit margins and sequential revenue growth that continually beats Wall Street's highest, and I mean highest, expectation. Analysts remain overwhelmingly bullish, continuously upgrading this stock over and over again as forward revenue projections for the next fiscal year point to total dominance. Nvidia is the ultimate engine powering the global tech economy, and buying it at this support level is the easiest decision on the board. The institutional dark pools are actively accumulating these exact 5 infrastructure plays. And the institutional dark pools are actively accumulating these exact 5 infrastructure plays based on dark pool data, while the retail crowd sells out of fear. PM Eastern, 3. Be sure to protect your capital, protect yourself in these crazy times in the stock market. Be sure to protect yourself and your capital. Be safe. I'll see you at the webinar this Friday, July 3rd, 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Pacific. The link to register is in the information box below. I will see you there and in the Discord real soon and on the next video. Take care of yourselves. One love, fam.